Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can fix the issue of our Bluetooth not showing up on Windows 11. So for that you need to open up your browser and then search for Intel Bluetooth driver and then open up the very first link that you will see from the search results, and it is for both Windows 10 and Windows 11. So just open it up and this is where it will lead you to. Make sure that you have selected the latest version of it, and after that just download it and let it download. And in case if you want the automatic driver updates, then you can just click on get started and it will automatically update all the drivers on your PC related to Bluetooth or wireless services. Then after the download is complete, you can just simply install it, and after installation is complete just restart your PC, and after that everything should work smoothly. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.